Hey guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about are black rims cheaper than chrome rims. Before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And also turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. And also make sure to watch the video to the end, as we discuss all about car rims and if black rims are cheaper than chrome rims. Are black rims cheaper than chrome rims? Black rims are often seen as being less expensive than chrome rims. This is because they are much easier to maintain. When you have a black rim, you don't need to worry about cleaning off the dirt and grime from your car's wheels. You can just wash them with soap and water. However, if you have chrome rims, then you'll need to use a cleaner specifically designed for chrome rims. If you want to keep your rims looking great, then you should invest in some chrome cleaners. Chrome rims are known for their durability. They are able to withstand high levels of wear and tear. However, this doesn't mean that they're always going to look good. Over time, chrome rims tend to fade and become dull. In order to make sure that your rims stay looking great, you should only buy high-quality chrome's rims, and I will leave some of the quality chrome's rims I recommend in the description. Are chrome rims more expensive than black's rims? My simple response to question is yes. Chrome rims are more expensive than steel rims or other regular black rims due to their higher cost of production. They are also more difficult to produce since they require a lot of heat and pressure to form into the desired shape. This makes them more expensive to make. Black rims are typically made from plastic, while chrome rims are made from aluminum. Plastic rims tend to have a lower cost per unit but may crack over time. Aluminium rims and chrome are much stronger and last longer, but are also more expensive. So let's now look at, are black rims more expensive than white rims? The price difference between white rims and black rims can vary depending on the manufacturer and the material that is used in the production. However, the average cost per rim is $50 to $300 more for a black rim. And white can range from $50 to $250 or more depending what is made of. This is due to the fact that the manufacturing process is much more complicated for black rims. Black rims require a special coating process that requires multiple steps. In addition, the paint has to be baked at high temperatures before being applied to the rim. These processes make the manufacturing process more time-consuming and costly. Can you turn black rims into chrome? Black rims are not only beautiful, but they can also be transformed into chrome. All you need to do is follow these steps. The first step would be to remove any dirt from your rim. Then, use a wire brush, clean off any rust that may have formed. Next, use a wheel cleaner to get rid of any remaining residue. Finally, apply some clear polish to the rim or use a black. This should give you a nice shiny chrome finish but still maintaining the color. Now wait until it's dry before driving around the vehicle so to stain it. Can you make chrome wheels black? Chrome wheels are not actually painted, they are coated with chromium oxide. Chromium oxide is a metallic pigment that gives the appearance of being black. However, this coating does wear off over time and eventually becomes dull. Nevertheless, if you want to keep your wheels shiny, you need to apply a clear coat to them. You can use any type of paint that you want, but if you are looking for something that will last longer than your typical spray paint, then you should consider using a clear coat. Clear coats are used to protect the surface from scratches, fading, and other damage. They are usually applied over top of a base color and can be sprayed onto the wheel. If you do decide to go with a clear coat, then you should choose something like Crystal Clear Coat. It's not only durable but looks great too. You can find clear coats at auto parts stores and even some hardware stores. I will link one in the description box below. How much does it cost to chrome a rim? The price of a chrome wheel can vary greatly depending on what kind of finish you want. A polished chrome wheel costs about $400 to $600, while a chromed rim costs around $300 to $500. If you are looking at buying a set of wheels, then you should consider how many rims you need. You can get 4 to 5 rims from a set of wheels that cost $1,000 to $1,500. Can you paint your wheels black? Yes. Black is a great color choice for your wheels. However, if you want to do this yourself, make sure that you have the right tools. You can purchase a sprayer at any auto parts store. This device allows you to apply multiple coats of clear coat without having to sand between each layer. If you are not comfortable doing this, ask someone who knows how to do it. How do you black out your wheels? If you are wondering, how do I black out my wheels? Well, you can use a black spray paint that has a high viscosity, thickness, to cover your entire wheel. This is the best way to black out your wheels. If you don't have access to this type of paint, then you can use a clear coat over a dark base coat. First, remove your wheel from the car, and then place the tire on the ground. Put some dirt around the rim of the tire. Also, use a thin layer of white primer first, followed by a light coat of black paint. Make sure to let it dry before applying any additional coats. Once you are done painting, make sure to sand down the edges of the wheel to blend in the color. Apply a clear coat to seal in the color. Let it dry completely before driving. Can you paint rims while driving a car? Yes. You can do this if you have a sprayer that has a trigger mechanism. However, you should always keep your hands off the wheel at all times. Is spray painting rims a good idea? Yes, spray painting rims can actually help your car look better than if you had just painted them yourself. Spray paint has many benefits over other types of paint. First off, it's much easier to apply than traditional paint. You don't have to worry about mixing colors together or getting the right consistency. Spray paint comes pre-mixed and ready to go. This makes it perfect for cars that are going to get a lot of use. If you're looking to give your car a fresh coat of paint, spray paint is the best way to do it. Make sure you know what type of finish you want before you start spraying. Some finishes need to be sealed first. Also, make sure you clean your car thoroughly before you start spraying. Any dirt or grime left behind could ruin your paint job. How much is it to powder coat rims? The cost of powder coating your rims can vary depending on what type of material you are using. If you are using aluminum, then the price per pound is going to be higher than if you were using steel. Steel is usually cheaper but requires special equipment that is not always available. If you're using aluminum, then the price per square foot should range from $200 to $300. However, if you're using steel, then the price per square foot should be around $30 to $150. How well do painted wheels hold up? Painted wheels can hold up for a while depending on usage and maintenance. Paint is a great way to protect your car from rusting. But, paint can chip off over time if not properly maintained. If you have a car that has been sitting for a while, you may want to give it a good cleaning before applying any new paint. This will help prevent any damage to the surface of the vehicle. What color wheels go with a black car? Black cars are often associated with the color wheel of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. But what if your car was black? Would that make it any different from other colors? The answer is yes. Black cars have their own unique characteristics and can look great in any environment. Black rims are cheaper than chrome rims. However, if you want to get the best value for your money, then go for the chrome rims. I hope this video was of help to you. Make sure you stay on the channel for more informative videos like this. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments box below. Also subscribe and turn on the post notification too. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next video.